Okay, here 6 plus 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 2 times 5 minus 2. Here 6 plus 8 is 14 divided by 2 times 5 minus 2. Here 14 divided by 2 is 7 times 5 minus 2. Here 7 times 5 is 35 minus 2. Here 35 minus 2 is 33 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 33 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 2 power 3. We have to do this 2 power 3 before any other operation. So 6 plus 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 2 times 5 minus 2. Here next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. Here division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 8 divided by 2. So we have to do this 8 divided by 2 before any other operation. So 6 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 times this 5 minus 2. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 6 plus 4 times 5 is 20 minus 2. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 6 plus 20. Yes, 6 plus 20 is 26 minus this 2. Here 26 minus 2 is 24 is the correct answer.